Calcium deficiency is relatively common but can be hard to pinpoint. How do you know if you lack calcium? Calcium deficiency can cause diverse health issues. Tingling in hands and feet, muscle ache, irregular heartbeat, dental issues, mood swings are some of few symptoms. If you are experiencing any such symptom, then you may be having calcium deficiency. In today's video, we're going to talk about calcium deficiency symptoms and food that will be helpful to increase your calcium levels. Now, calcium is very helpful in regulating your heart rate, clotting of your blood, transmitting nervous system messages, in enzyme function. Now, these are the following causes can lead to calcium deficiency. Calcium deficient diet, vitamin D deficiency, hormonal disturbances, intake of high coffee and alcohol, increased calcium requirement during pregnancy and breastfeeding. Now let us talk about 10 symptoms of calcium deficiency. First symptom is abnormal heart rhythm. Irregular heartbeat is a typical symptom of hypoglycemia or calcium deficiency and can be life-threatening if severe. It frequently causes several abnormalities and can be registered by electrocardiogram. If heart cells don't get enough calcium, they stop working as they should. This sets off normal heart rhythm and causes heart muscle spasm and narrowing of arteries. The second symptom that is associated is dry skin. Dry or scaly skin may be a symptom of hypoglycemia. Calcium's less known role is to support skin health. It decreases the pH of the skin and protects our skin barrier. This preserves the excess loss of water from the skin. When calcium blood levels fall too low, skin can no longer maintain moisture and healthy pH, and that's why it becomes dry. Third most important symptom that is observed is confusion and memory loss. Confusion, disorientation, memory loss can be a symptom of hypoglycemia. Nerve and brain cells depend on calcium. Calcium entering nerve cells stimulate the release of neurotransmitters. Calcium deficiency can significantly impair the cognitive function. Osteopenia or osteoporosis. Osteoporosis of brittle bone is considered a calcium deficiency disorder. Osteopenia is a milder form of osteoporosis. When calcium levels in the blood drop, your body has to release more of it from bones to compensate. Over the time, calcium deficiency can cause extreme bone weakness and dramatically increase the risk of fractures. Next important symptom is premenstrual syndrome. Low level of vitamin D and calcium can trigger it or contribute to symptoms. According to large review of 28 trials, in such cases, vitamin D and calcium can reduce and even eliminate the symptom of PMS. Next important symptom is tooth decay and gum diseases. Calcium keeps your teeth strong. Foot, drinks and mouth bacteria can degrade the minerals in the teeth. Adequate calcium levels are necessary to prevent the mineral loss. Low level of calcium can cause extreme fatigue, which involves lack of energy and overall feeling of sluggishness. Muscle cramps and spasm. The hallmark symptom of calcium deficiency are muscle cramps and spasms. Calcium helps muscle contract and relax. Muscles lacking calcium can no longer maintain their normal tone. This can lead to aches, cramps, and muscle weakness. Low dietary calcium is associated with self-rated depression in women. It is thought that calcium and magnesium may be related to mental disorders such as depression. Calcium causes the release of melatonin, which is needed for sleep sound. Therefore, deficient in calcium may lead to insomnia. The recommended dietary allowance for calcium is 1000 milligrams a day for most adults. After age 50, the recommendation amount increases to 1200 mg a day for women. After age 70, almost increases to 1200 mg day for everyone. Getting dose amount through food is fairly easy. 1 cup of plain yogurt has 115 mg. Add 1 cup of milk, dairy or fortified soy and you will have another 300 mg. A bowl of fortified cereal with milk brings daily total to right about 100 mg to hit your daily allowance. For those who are strictly plant-based or don't eat dairy, you can get your calcium needs through fortified soy milk, tofu, fortified orange juice, fortified cereal and soybean. When to consult a doctor? Anyone experiencing symptom of a calcium deficiency should speak with a doctor. You can order tests and check your calcium level in the blood. We also have a homemade calcium booster powder recipe in our channel. Do check it out. I will leave the link in the description box.
Do like, subscribe to our channel and share this video with your friends. Leave your thoughts in comment section below. Thank you.